Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to use Google Images to find common use pictures. Now these are pictures you can use without needing to contact the original author and ask for permission. First thing we're going to do under Google is put in a search item. Once I've done that, I'll go to Images. And here I find all these really cool pictures that I want to use. The problem is, quite a few of them are copyrighted. That means I cannot use them without asking the original author for permission. So I'm going to go under Search Tools and then click on Usage Rights. Now here we have 4 options. Well, 5, but the first one doesn't really apply to us right now. I'm going to start from the bottom. The bottom really are for teachers or for those people who want to use the images without making any money off of them. And you have 2 options there. You can just reuse the image as is, or you can change the image, which is modifying it, and then reuse it. The top 2, labeled for reuse and labeled for reuse with modification, are for those people who would like to use them to make some money. For us, we're just going to go with label for non-commercial reuse. Now I have pictures here that I can use without having to worry about asking anyone for permission. Alright, I hope this helps, and I'll see you guys next week for some more Tech Bites.